With Kepion, it's easy to build planning and analysis applications around the way you work. In this video, we'll show you how Pacifico, a retail company, uses Kepion for their annual expense planning. We'll also view how they use Kepion to monitor and analyze their business operations for the year. As budget administrator, you can automate the budget allocation and monitor the latest workflow updates of your business process. You can also notify users if they need to be reminded to complete their tasks. To start off the budgeting process, as a finance director of Pacifico, you have decided to start on next year's budget with last year's actuals as a baseline. In your Kepion dashboard, you notice that last year's actuals have totaled up to $7.28 million. Fortunately, you expect to have $8 million as a starting budget for this coming year, so you decide to allocate this amount across each department using Kepion's predefined allocate rule. This rule leverages Kepion's rule engine that can easily be configured based on your business's needs. Once you're done with your budget allocations, each department manager can log into Kepion and proceed with their budgeting process. Lisa, the marketing manager, would immediately be able to view the OPEX budgeting page with the allocated budget numbers specific to her department. Lisa decides to increase the general and administration expenses by 5%. You can easily do this by using the adjustable. Whoever has access to her plan can see this update immediately. All Kepion users in your company read and write to the same data source. This prevents you from having duplicate data, therefore ensuring that everyone's always working from a single version of the truth. Lisa is currently making her adjustments to the main budgeting scenario, but she can also decide to run different what-if scenarios with best, average, and worst-case versions of the budget plan. Lisa continues to the travel expense page, where she will update the travel expenses related to the marketing department. Lisa is planning on an upcoming trip to Los Angeles, where 4 employees will go to promote Pacifico's new marketing campaign for 5 days. The logistical information will auto-populate accordingly. This is based on the travel assumptions defined in the next page. Here, one can adjust expenses that reflect past trends, such as transportation costs and daily expenses. After Lisa posts these changes, the inputs will automatically be consolidated into the department plan, where she can view the changes in the travel expenses and how it rolls up into the department's total. When she has finalized these changes, Lisa can submit the plan. As a director, you can keep track of how everyone is doing with their planning process in the Approve tab. With KPIs, you can also see how your business is performing in real time against key metrics. Once a plan is submitted to you, you will be able to view, change, approve, or reject a plan submission. Kepion is a simple and flexible solution for your company to focus on a single cohesive plan going forward, therefore enabling all your business groups within your company to work in unison. Kepion supports a multi-layered workflow approval chain that can be custom tailored to your planning process. Give Kepion a try today.